எப்போ வந்து எப்போ சைன் பண்றது? என்ன டைம்? 10 மணிக்கு வந்து நிக்கிற. எனக்கு தெரியுது, லேட்டா தான் தெரியுது, லேட்டா தான் கேட்டுட்டு இருக்கேன். உன் இஷ்டத்துக்கு வரதுக்கு என்ன பண்ண லேபு? 10 மணிக்கெல்லாம் வந்தாலும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஹவர் கொடுக்க மாட்டாங்கப்பா. I'm not able to give attendance for first hour. Huh?
Ma'am, please mute your mic, ma'am.
செட்டியார் கணக்குல மாதிரி
Abita, ma'am.
அது இல்லைன்னா இது இருக்குதுன்ற மாதிரி இருக்கு நீ சொல்றது.
Abita, ma'am.
I'm really sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
Okay, ma'am. It's okay.
கரெக்ஷன் பண்ணணும்டா நீங்க எல்லாம் பெண் ஒரு 4 பெண் வாங்கிக்கோங்க. பெண் மட்டும் 4 பெண் வாங்கிக்கோங்க.
Dear participants, kindly mute your mic, please. Vinodini ma'am? Vinodini ma'am? Can you please mute your mic, ma'am? Good morning, everyone. It's a pleasure to welcome you to day 4 of the Faculty Development Program on integrating artificial intelligence into English language education. The journey so far has offered valuable insights and thoughtful perspectives on the evolving role of AI in language teaching. Today's sessions are delighted to promote deeper understanding and reflective dialogue. We are confident that the discussions today will further enrich our professional practice and academic engagement. It is indeed a great privilege and honor to introduce our esteemed chief guest for today's FDP, Dr. R.P. Anjukumar, Professor and Dean Academics at St. Xavier's Catholic College of Engineering. Dr. Andrew Kumar is a distinguished academician, researcher, and mentor with over 2.5 decades of rich teaching and research experience. He has been serving as professor since 2014, reflecting his steady academic growth and commitment to excellence in education. Dr. Andrew Kumar Sir completed his Bachelor of Engineering in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Karunya Institute of Technology, Coimbatore, under Bharatiyar University in 1998. He went on to earn his Master of Engineering in Computer Science and Engineering from the Government College of Engineering, Tirunelveli, affiliated to Manonmaniam Sundarnar University in the year 2000. He was awarded his PhD by Bharatiyar University, Coimbatore in 2014. He has been serving as a dedicated faculty member at St. Xavier's Catholic College of Engineering, Nagercoil since 2000. Over the years, he has held several key academic and administrative positions. He served as lecturer in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering from 2000 to 2003, professor and head of the Department of Information Technology from 2000 to 2019, and professor and head of the Department of Computer Science Engineering from 2019 to 2022. Currently, he is serving as the Dean Academics of the college. Dr. Andrew Kumar has made significant contribution to research and mentorship. Under his guidance, 3 research scholars have successfully completed their PhD, and 9 scholars are currently pursuing their doctoral research. He has also successfully completed a DST-funded research project worth 18 lakhs. With over 40 publications in reputed international journals and conferences, Dr. Andrew Kumar continues to contribute actively to academic and research. Dr. Andrew Kumar is not only an accomplished academician but also a passionate mentor who continually works towards bridging the gap between academia and industry, inspiring students and faculty members alike. Today, we are truly privileged to have such a distinguished personality amidst us. His presence and insights will undoubtedly enrich this occasion and inspire us to strive for excellence in our academic and professional pursuits. Let us extend a warm and hearty welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Dr. P. Andrew Kumar. I welcome you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, madam.
Along with Andrew Kumar sir, I respectfully invite Dr. M. Andrew Jones Kumar to share the session. Dr. M. Andrew Jones Kumar is a seasoned professional with a strong background in computer science and engineering, with 28 years of experience in IT and teaching. He is specialized in network security and cloud computing. His PhD research focused on enhancing data management for secure cloud storage. Currently, he is the system administrator at St. Xavier's Catholic College of Engineering and professor in the Department of IT. With great pleasure, I invite our respected chief guest, Dr. Andrew Kumar sir, to continue the session. The session is over to you, sir.
Thank you very much, madam, for the introduction. Dear audience, please mute your mic. Vinod sir. Please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please mute your mic, sir, please.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Delbio, madam, for the nice introduction. A blessed good morning to all of you who are here for this FDP on the 4th day. First of all, I thank Dr. J.P. Vidya, HOD of English Department of St. Xavier's Catholic College of Engineering, Nagercoil, for giving me this opportunity to present my ideas regarding the AI tools for writing skills. Thank you very much, madam. Also, I thank and congratulate the department faculty members, Dr. J. Mary Vanaja, Dr. M. Meenu, Mrs. F. Adeline Aruna, and Dr. A. Delfio for organizing and coordinating this wonderful event in a successful manner. My special thanks to Dr. Vijimon Mani the coordinator of Humanities and Science Department of St. Xavier's Catholic College of Engineering, for guiding the department to organize this type of wonderful programs. And this is the need of the hour. Am I right? AI tools for writing skill. So I thank Vijmohan Mani also for organizing this event. Before going to that, this presentation having two parts. That is one presentation about what are the AI tools which are helping for English communication like that. In addition to that, we are planning to demonstrate something, because on seeing that only it will be useful for you for your future work for that. So this my presentation having two parts, that is a theoretical thing and a demonstration also there. If you are watching this FDP, online FDP through laptops, then you can also try the demonstration part. That part you can try. Like that, we can give the instruction according to that. So for that, Dr. I am Anthony Jones Kumar also joining with me. He is working as a professor in the IT department, as also the system administrator for the past 26 years at our campus. With this introduction, we can move to the content. I was watching the previous 3 days faculty development program. So in the first day, Dr. Pradeep Yasraj, he had given a what is the future of English language education, what are the challenges we are facing in the AI world, and what are the opportunities we have in the AI world. Like that, he had given a wonderful presentation. And in the second day, Dr. T.B. Thomas, sir, explained building AI literacy for teaching and teachers and for the students. He also highlighted various AI tools which are used for the teaching or which are used for the teaching learning process. On the third day, that is yesterday, Dr. R. Pranesh Kumar, he highlighted the changing role of English educators. That is, what are the various roles of English educators in the AI era, because the influence of AI, how the roles of the educators are changing. Like that, he presented. Tomorrow, Dr. Justin James is going to present how to integrate AI in academic writing, like that. So this content may be partially overlapping with my content, because he is also dealing with the AI tools. So I will give some introduction about the AI tools, and will be going to concentrate on 1 or 2 AI tools in detail. Mostly the remaining may be handled by the Justin James sir in tomorrow's session. So with this introduction, now I am moving to my presentation. So my presentation, the content of my presentation is, so what is the objective of today's this presentation? We can call it as an faculty development program or a simple workshop, like that we can think. Then what are the importance of writing skills for the faculty? Why the writing skills are very important for the faculty? Then the introduction of AI in writing. Then what are the various AI writing tools? We cannot tabulate all. I will be tabulating some of them. Then why faculty should use AI writing tools? Nowadays, in the current era, why faculty should use the AI writing tools? Then what are the key AI technologies behind these AI writing tools? So what are the, so here I am slightly touching the computer science. Then what are the popular AI writing tools? Then I am going to concentrate on 2 AI writing tools, ChatGPT and Grammarly. Here for my presentation, ChatGPT is supporting mostly, and Grammarly also I am touching little bit. Then what is the combination of ChatGPT and Grammarly? How it will help the faculty? Then how ChatGPT supports for writing? How Grammarly supports for writing? Then we will be moving to the hands-on setup. That is how we can work with ChatGPT and how we can work with the Grammarly, like that. So in that, I have 4 hands-on activities. One is for how we can generate ideas using ChatGPT, and how we can draft the contents after generating, how we can draft the contents using ChatGPT, and using the Grammarly, how we can edit and how we can go for proofreading, and using ChatGPT, how we can go for paraphrasing and summarization. These are the 4 activities initially we are going to show you. Then the concluding remark will be how we can use, what are the application for the faculty, then how we can use these AI tools ethically, and there may be some limitations and we must be cautious in some matter. That thing we will be going to share. Then best practices for faculty and some of the key takeaways. These are the theory part. Then in addition to that, we are planning for few demos. That is how a research paper idea can be generated using ChatGPT, and write an academic introduction, improving language quality, paraphrasing for the originality, without affecting the originality, how we can go for paraphrasing, then abstract writing, then how we can generate the question papers from the course content or course content generation, then how we can draft the emails, official emails using ChatGPT, these AI tools, and as the students are submitting an assignment like that, how we can go for, how we can get the feedback and some ethical things and best practices. These are the my objective you have. Suppose if you have any more objectives, you can share in the chat so that I can address at the end of my presentation. That also I can do. So we will be moving to the thing. First, what are the objective? What are the objective of this presentation or this workshop or this FDP is? Here we are going to understand the role of AI in academic and professional writing. Also, we are going to explore various AI writing tools, which here I am focusing on ChatGPT and Grammarly. Then we are going to learn the prompt design in AI assisted editing. That is, we are fine-tuning our queries, or fine-tuning our chatting using various prompts. Then what are the practice, ethical and responsible use of AI tools? That also we are going to discuss. Then we know that before 15 or 20 years back, the faculty having only one role, that is only teaching. The information we have, that will be shared with the students. That was the role of the teacher, or that was the role of the faculty. Nowadays, then the NBA or accreditation were introduced. We moved for the OBE, outcome-based education. There the role is changed. There the role was changed. Am I right? According to, we fine-tuned our teaching learning process and the examination process and everything. Nowadays, we are going for various accreditation and various certification. Our institutions are going for various certification. So we have to give more concentration on research papers, proposal, reports, funded projects, consultancy work, patents, like that. Am I right? So in addition to the teaching learning process and assessment process, the faculty members need to prepare research papers. They have to prepare various funding proposal, where then they have to prepare a lot of reports, and they have to do for, in addition to this, surely we have to prepare the teaching learning study materials. Am I right? Teaching learning materials. Then in addition to that, we want to communicate with our higher authorities outside the college, inside the college. For that, we need a lot of professional communication and documentation also. So due to this, all these works, what are the challenges we faculty members are facing is time constraints, and some grammar issues may be there, and clarity, some missing some clarity, and the structure of writing. Normally, English faculty will not suffer in this area, but coming to our engineering faculty and other department faculty, they may be suffering with this grammar, clarity of writing, and the structure of writing. So to overcome this, we can go for this AI enabled tools. So what is this AI enabled writing is, here the AI will act as an writing support system. Normally we were using manual editing or AI assisted writing for, normally we may be using manual editing normally. This can be again enhanced by AI assisted writing. AI assisted writing. So for that, we can have lot of AI tools to enhance the productivity, to enhance or improve the productivity. And these AI tools will support relevance to our teaching, research, as well as the administration purpose also. We can use these AI tools for the administrative communication, report writing, like that. Then, what do you mean by what are the AI writing tools? What are the AI writing tools? See, normally AI writing tools are software applications which are powered by artificial intelligence. So, what do you mean by artificial intelligence is it is a branch of computer science that focus on creating a machine. It may be creating a hardware, or it may be creating a software. It may be a may be a hardware, may be an application, may be a hardware, or it may be a software which is capable of performing tasks that normally require human intelligence. See, for some tasks, we need normal human intelligence that can be taken care by a machine or that can be taken care by a software. That is called artificial intelligence. So, what are the tasks it can? It can do is learning purpose, reasoning purpose, problem solving, decision making, perception, and understanding the natural language. It may be English or it may be a Tamil or it may be a Malayalam. So this can be done by the artificial intelligence. Then these AI writing tools uses natural language processing and machine learning. What do you mean by this natural language processing is it is a subfield. It is a subfield of artificial intelligence that focus on enabling computers to understand, interpret, process, and generate human language in a meaningful way. We can also say that this natural language processing is a technology that allow machines to interact with human using natural languages such as English or Tamil or Malayalam, like that. Then again, these AI writing tools will assist in drafting, editing, rewriting, and summarizing. And it will also support academic and professional writing. Academic and professional writing. Then, why we want to use this AI writing tools? Because in the last 3 days sessions, all the professors highlighted that we cannot replace a faculty with AI tools. AI tool is not a alternate for faculty, not an alternate for faculty. But this AI tool can support the faculty to enhance their productivity. For that we can use the AI tools. So this is the first point I have given is it will save time in drafting and proofreading. I will show a demo for that. Then it will improve the language quality and readability. Normally, you English professors normally having a wonderful language quality and you are writing in a readable manner, everything. But coming to the other faculty members, it is helping us to improve our language quality and readability. At the same time, it may be also helping you also. Then it will enhance research and teaching productivity. Because by preparing a research paper, it will consume lot of days or lot of months. But using the AI tools, we can reduce the number of days required for writing a research paper, or you can increase the our productivity also. And it will support the continuous professional development, because you know that normally our development will be every day a teacher is a learner. Am I right? Every day the teacher is a learner. So according to that, we can develop ourselves. For that, this AI tool will help us to learn new things in a easy manner as well as in a effective manner. Now I am little coming to the computer science background, because with this understanding, it is easy for you to know what is the background of these AI technologies. So how each AI tools will help us for our application, like that. See, normally this AI, there are 4 AI technologies are behind the AI writing tools. There are four technologies. The first technology is natural language processing. Shortly, we used to call it as NLP. See, this NLP, natural language processing, is a subfield of artificial intelligence. See, AI, artificial intelligence, is a subfield of computer science. Now, natural language processing is a subfield of artificial intelligence that focus on enabling the computers to understand, interpret, process, and generate human language in a meaningful manner. So only it is called natural language processing. So it is a technology that allows machine to interact with the human using natural languages such as English, Tamil, Malayalam, Hindi, like that. So this is the one of the AI technology behind the AI writing tools. Then coming to the next one, this is a machine learning technology. This is a machine learning technology. The second technology that is behind the AI technology is LLM. Normally, we are calling it as an LLM. That the expansion is large language models. Large language models. So this is an advanced AI model. It is an advanced AI model. That is, it is designed. What for it is designed? This model is designed to understand, generate, and reason with human languages. How it will learn these human languages is by using some learning patterns. This, from where these learning patterns we will be getting is from the large amount of data. For that, for an example, see, I am giving this this workshop for half an hour or 1 hour. From my speech, the learning system, this large learning model, will get some features. How I speak, how I present. Then in future, it will help me to generate a speech with this tone, with this academic, like that. So this large language model is helping. It will learn from us and it will guide us. Then coming to the next one, machine learning and deep learning. Both this machine learning and deep learning is used here in AI writing tools. We know that already what is machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that enable computer system to learn from data and improve their performance. It will improve their performance day to day to do a particular specific task. No need to program for that. It will learn from the data provided, or it will learn from the decision already made. From that, it will learn and it will give suggestion for the new inputs, new requests. That will be done by the machine learning. That is, machines will learn patterns from data and make the predictions and decision based on its experience. That is, its experience is it already have the old data. From that, it learn few data, and from that it will predict for the new one. Coming to the deep learning, it is a specialized subsets of machine learning. It is a specialized subsets of machine learning. You can say that it is the advanced of machine learning. Then here we are using multi-layer neural networks to take the decisions. And these decisions will be taken automatically, and the decisions are some more perfect compared to the machine learning. So for the machine learning, normally the feature extractions. So to identify a person, some features may be extracted. Identify a talk, features may be extracted. The features will be extracted using manual methods are used. But coming to the deep learning, it will be the features will extracted automatically. Then coming to the next one, how much data required for this machine learning or deep learning? For the machine learning, small or medium amount of data is enough. But coming to the deep learning, very large or huge amount of data is required for making the decision. Then for the machine learning, simple algorithms are enough, but coming to the deep learning, deep neural networks are required. Deep neural networks are required. So nowadays, most of the AI tools, they are using deep learning techniques over the machine learning techniques. Then the next one is context-aware text generation. What is this context-aware text generation? It is the ability of the AI system to generate the text that is relevant, coherent, and appropriate by understanding and using the surrounding context of the input. That means, suppose I am asking a question to the AI tool. It will find out, it will give the answer to me. The second question, it's a supplementary question if they are asking, it will remember my previous question. So it will fix the relevance, coherence, and from that it will take the content and it will share it to me. So the context aware text generation, it is a process of producing meaningful text by considering prior information, that is already it having some information, user intent, and conventional or document context. Like that it will be giving, that is a context aware text generation. So here, what are the key aspects of this context aware text generation is, it will maintain the coherence across sentences and paragraphs. So there the connectivity will be there. Then it will adapt response based on the previous input. It will check what is the previous input and what are the answer given. And it will preserve the topics, tones, and intent. Everything will be preserved here. Suppose for an example, suppose I am asking a question with ChatGPT. I am asking a question with ChatGPT. It will give me an answer. If I am asking a second question with the ChatGPT, it will consider my second question and the context of the previous one. That is the area, relevance, coherence of the previous question, and from that it will give the information. So here all these, that is natural language processing, large language model, machine learning, deep learning, and everything together, combined together, and produce the now. Now, here I am going to highlight some of the popular AI writing tools. The first tool I am highlighting is ChatGPT. This ChatGPT is used for content generation and idea support. It is an AI-powered conversational system which is developed by OpenAI. OpenAI is the company that uses. Here it is mainly using large language model, LLM. So the previous questions will be remembered, and previous questions and previous response will be remembered. So it is using large language model to understand the natural language. So it can understand the human language. It may be English, or it may be a Tamil, or it may be any language. And it will generate human-like context-aware responses. So it will respond like a human. So you can speak with the ChatGPT. It is possible. Audio facilities available in the ChatGPT version of the mobile, Android, or Apple applications. Voice is also possible there. Then, so it is an, we can, how I can define a ChatGPT is, it is an conversational artificial intelligence model. It is an conversational artificial intelligence model that interact with users through natural languages. That is a ChatGPT. Here, what are the key features? If I am highlighting what are the key features is, it can understand and respond to text-based queries. It can generate context-aware and coherent answers, and it can be used for education, content creation, coding, problem solving, and where it can be used is the application may be student learning support, faculty assistant, and research assistant for the faculty, and customer support chatbots also. For chatbots also, we can use this chat GPT. Coming to the second tool, that is a Grammarly. Grammarly. This Grammarly Since Grammarly, it is a language correction and style enhancement tool. Language correction and style enhancement tool. It is also AI-powered writing assistant tool that help user to improve their writing by checking grammar, spelling, punctuation, clarity, tone. It is a formal or informal, and style in real time. For that, we can go for Grammarly. So I can also say that it is an artificial intelligence, that is AI-based tool used to enhance the accuracy and quality of writing quality of the written communication, like that. Here, what are the key features are grammar and spell check, sentence clarity and style suggestion, tone detection and rewriting. Also, plagiarism check also possible here. Where it can be used is for academic writing, you can use that. Sending the professional emails and reports, you can use that. And to study the assignment submitted by the students, you can use this Grammarly also. Coming to the third tool, Fieldboat. It is a paraphrasing tool. It is a AI-powered writing tool designed to paraphrase, rewrite, and enhance text while preserving the original meaning. The original meaning will be preserved here. Then, so it is an AI-based paraphrasing tool. It is used to improve the clarity and originality in the writing. Then coming to the next tool, Jasper AI. Nowadays, it is many people are using this for creating the marketing content, because many people are marketing themselves in LinkedIn, Facebook, or their companies or their activities in various digital media. For that, we can go for this AI tool. So this is an AI-powered content generation tool that helps creating, marketing, advertising, and creating natural language processing and LLM model. That is a language model. So here is what are the key features are. We can create the blogs. We can create the advertisements. We can create the emails. And you can create the social media contents. You can create the social media contents also. For that, we can use this one. Then here also you can increase your branding, and you can customize your style, and you can develop lot of templates. You can create templates for marketing and business writing. So normally where it is used is for digital marketing and advertising, and content writing and copy creation, and for the business communication. Coming to the next tool is Google Docs AI. This is a AI integrated AI assistant, which helps users to draft, rewrite, and summarize and refine content directly in Google Documents. Suppose if you are storing the documents in Google Drive, and you are using the Google Docs for creating the contents, then this tool may be supporting for you. It will be a smart writing suggestion. It will give, then it will summarize, then Grammarly correction, everything can be done here. Next tool is Microsoft Copilot. Suppose if you are using Microsoft 365 application, then it will be integrated with Microsoft 365 application, and it will help user to generate, edit, and analyze contents using natural language processing or natural language process. Then, so it may be useful for creating content in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, like that. Then it will also help for summarization and data writing, and data analytics and presentation support also it will provide. So it will be also useful for our academic writing, documentation, professional reports, and professional reports writing, professional emails, and to enhancing the productivity of the faculty and the student. See here, I have only summarized around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 AI writing tools. Only whether these 6 AI writing tools are there? No, lot of AI writing tools are there. Lot of alternatives are there for these AI writing tools. For an example, for the Chat GPT, normally this Chat GPT is for, it is a conversational AI used for content generation. What are the alternates? Google Gemini is one of the alternate. Most popular another thing is DeepSeek. Then Perplexity AI. Another one is Microsoft Copilot. See, in the previous yesterday's presentation, the presenter, that is our resource person, given all these titles. Coming to the second one, Grammarly. This is for grammar checking and writing improvement. Again, what are the alternates are? Pro Writing Aid, Hemingway Editor, another one is there. Language Tool is there. Another popular one thing, Ginger is there. Instead of Grammarly, we can use that. Coming to the Quillboot for paraphrasing. Many paraphrasing AI tools are there. WorldTone, Spinbot, Paraphrase.io, Rephrase AI, like that. Many tools are there. All these tools are partially free. And if you want to extend there, we want to get more support from them, then we have to pay. Coming to the next one, Jasper AI. It is a marketing and creative content generation. For that, alternatives are Copy AI, Write Sonic, Anywhere, like that. Many tools are there. The alternate for Google Docs, Notion AI, Soho Writer AI, WPS AI, like that. What are the alternate for Microsoft Copilot? Again, Microsoft Copilot is assistant in Microsoft 365 application. Here also Google Workspace AI, Soho Workspace AI, WPS AI, many things is there. Now, in this, for my presentation, I am going to give concentration on the first two tools, ChatGPT and Grammarly. What is ChatGPT? What is ChatGPT? It is an AI language model which is developed by OpenAI. It will generate human-like text. It will support drafting, rewriting, and summarization, and it will be useful for academic, professional, and instructional writing. It is how this name comes, because it is a chatting. Am I right? It is a chatting. So chat means refer. Chat means what it will refer is, it is an interactively conversational communication. If you ask something, it will answer. It will answer. If you fine tune your question again, it will fine tune its answer, like that. Then what is GPT? What is GPT stands for? G stands for generative, P stands for pre-trained, and T stands for transform. So what is ChatGPT means? It is chat plus generative pre-trained transformer. Generative pre-trained transformer. So how I can define it is, ChatGPT is an conversational AI model that generate human-like responses using a pre-trained transformer based architecture. That is a ChatGPT. Now we can say that what is Grammarly? Grammarly, it is a AI powered writing and enhancement tool, and here we can correct the grammar, here correct the spelling and punctuation correction, everything can be done. The tone can be changed, the clarity can be increased, consciousness we will get various suggestions according to the consciousness. Then we can check the plagiarism and it will support the citation. from where it is referred. These features are only available in premium package. Then the combination of ChatGPT and the Grammarly, normally the chat for a faculty member, we can combine the offerings of this ChatGPT and Grammarly together, so that we can get good output. The ChatGPT idea generation and content drafting, we can go for ChatGPT. Then Grammarly, for the language refinement, we can go for Grammarly. Like that, for the proofreading also, we can go for Grammarly. Then the ChatGPT will provide interactive writing assistant to us. Then Grammarly will provide real-time writing feedback. Then by combining these two together, we will get best result for our faculty member as well as students. Then how the ChatGPT will support, for writing is, it will brainstorm ideas. Suppose for a particular area we are not able to get ideas, so for the brainstorming it will support that, and it will give the outlines. Then it can, from this outline, then we can generate, we can draft the content, then we can add explanation, then you can paraphrase, then you can summarize, and you can revise it according to our feedback. By giving feedback, it will revise it also. Like that, the Grammarly support detect grammar, spelling error, improve sentence clarity and structure. It will adjust the tone, whether the communication is academic, or it may be a formal communication, or it may be a professional communication, it is an informal communication, like that. Then it will enhances the readability and correctness, that the duplication of the verbs, like that. It will remove everything. For that, we can go for Grammarly. Now, how we can, now I am slightly moving to a hands-on setup, how we can assess the ChatGPT. For that, I am getting the help of Anthony sir also. How we can assess this ChatGPT. So this thing, suppose if you are using a laptop or desktop computer, you can also try this. So I am stop sharing my presentation, and I am going to another window to demonstrate you for this, how we can go for this ChatGPT. The ChatGPT normally assess through internet or web or mobile application also. Coming to the Grammarly, browser extension is there, like that. So coming to the first, how we can assess this ChatGPT. One thing, I am stop sharing this window. I am going to share another window. Please wait. Now, are you able to see a web page or a tab of my Chrome?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is a normal Google page. Am I right? Here, what I am doing is, simply I am typing here in the address bar ChatGPT. Normally, it will show chatgpt.com. So when I am typing there, I am browsing to the ChatGPT web page. It is asking whether how to continue, whether I have to continue with Google. Normally in our device, we will be logged in through Google. Am I right? Google email ID. Otherwise, it may be Apple ID or Microsoft ID. So here I am going to select my Google ID. Continue with Google. I am continuing with Google. In my system, there are 4 Google accounts are already logged in. So I am going to select any one email ID. Are you able to see this now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I am proceeding. So here I am selecting my official email ID. So this is selected. So a chat, it is entering into the chat GPT web space. Now here a chatting menu is there. In the left hand side, lot of things are there. This is my history because chat GPT using LLM. Am I right? LLM. So what are the things I searched? Everything will be there and I can. Suppose if you are a new to this chat GPT, nothing will be there in the left side the menu. Left side menu, it will not be there. Now I want to give a comment. Something how we can give is so I am combining the activities with here. Here one more thing, you can give the question directly without any prompt also. A vague question we can give. For an example, suppose assume that I am giving a comment. Many people are saying AI, artificial intelligence like that. So I am giving a comment, explain AI. Please remember that here our question, our chat, no need to be correct in English. It can understand if it is the verb is not there, or suppose the sentence is not complete. It can understand that. So simply here I am giving explain AI, and I am entering. See the content. I am getting a lot of explanation regarding the AI. What is artificial intelligence, what AI can do, types of AI, applications of the AI, real world example, and simple definition. Am I right? Now, using the prompt. What is a prompt means? We are fine-tuning our comments. That is, here we are going to give a clear instruction. Give a clear instruction. I am typing another thing. See, I am giving a command. Explain artificial intelligence in simple language for undergraduate engineering student. Present the answer like that. This much is enough. Explain artificial intelligence in simple language for undergraduate engineering student. See, now how it will look like. This is in the form of an UG student. How the UG students are for a particular. Suppose if you want to take a seminar, then suppose I am giving a command like this. See, suppose if since we are a teacher, we want to give along with this explanation. We want to give along with this explanation. We want to give an example to the students. Am I right? So here I am giving the command. Present the answer in bullet point with one real world example. Here, see that now I didn't give the title artificial intelligence. But the ChatGPT knows that, because from the previous one, since it is using an LLM, the previous question and the previous response, the ChatGPT remember. So here simply I am giving the command, present the answer in bullet point with one real world example. See. So everything will be presented here. So as a bullet point, it was given. Suppose if you want to take this bullet point and create a PPT. Now I am giving the command create PPT slides. See, it is taking some time since we are using the free version. See, it created a PPT itself. So you can download this PPT. You can download this PPT, and you can from here you can download this PPT, but it will not have more images. For that, you can go for some other AI tools like Gamma, like that. Here it will give the PPT in a listed. Otherwise, see here I can PPT points in bullet. See slide 1. What is slide 2? What is slide 3? What is slide 4? Slide 5? What is slide 6? Conclusion. Suppose from this area, I want to generate 5 questions. Generate. See how it will help for our teaching learning process. Generate 5 2-mark questions. Generate 5. Here I have given 4, 5. You can give 5 2-mark questions. See, define artificial intelligence. What is machine learning? Differentiate between narrow AI and generative AI. List any 2 applications of artificial intelligence. What is natural language processing? It is already generated. Then give answers. Give answers. So how it is easy to generate the answer key? It is very easy to generate the answer key. Now change it to MCQ, multiple choice questions. See how AI is helping us for the teaching learning process and question preparation. Now I want to change it to the level of the questions. Make it to high level questions. Make it to high level questions. The level changed. Then show that Bloom's taxonomy levels. For the above questions. See, for all the 5 questions, what are the Bloom's taxonomy level? First one is analyzing, second understanding, applying. Then now see question 1, what are the category? It is given as a tabulated manner also, the topic area. Then create 2, apply level questions. See, a retail company wants to predict the future of sales of its products using past sales data. Which AI technology would you apply for this task and why? See, applying. Now, suppose I want to change it into some other language. translate it into Tamil. See how it is. So these are the various things. These are the various things. Suppose I am moving to some more thing. Yeah, drafting content. And the second activity I want to show you is drafting content. Drafting content. So with this ChatGPT menu, I am going to do that. Yeah. So here, in the same chat itself, I can go for some more questions. Otherwise, I can go for new chat also. Here I am clicking a new chat. See, here for that, I want to show you the content generation using the ChatGPT. See, are you able to see my window?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Because here power gone, so I want to check whether I was disconnected or not. See, here I am giving. I have given 3 bullet points. Artificial intelligence mimics human intelligence. Used in healthcare, education, and industry. Improve efficiency and decision making. Am I right? Now I am giving the command that convert the above bullet points into paragraph with an academic tone. Draft a suitable introduction and conclusion. I am submitting this query. See what I am getting. It's an introduction. It has given a body paragraph, and it has given a conclusion also. It has given a conclusion also. Now, develop it to 500 words. Develop it to 500 words. The content is increased for 500 words. The content is increased for 500 words. Then, like that, you can give more comments. Maybe it may be a formal or it may be a informal, like that. So iteratively you can refine. Iteratively you can refine this. Again, we will come back to here. We will come back to here. Before that, just we can check into another tool, that is a Grammarly. We can check the another tool, Grammarly. I will go there. See here in the same window, I am going for Grammarly. See, I want to show a simple thing, because Grammarly free version support only a little bit. If you are going for the paid version, it will support a lot. But I will be showing you something about this Grammarly. See, here instead of ChatGPT, here I am typing Grammarly. Then sign up with Google. I am wait. Yeah, you are able to see. Sign up with Google. Sign up with Google. It is loading. It will take some time. So whatever I already checked, it is available here. I am deleting. No need to delete that. You can keep it there. Here we can see a green color button, that is new document. Otherwise, if you have a Word document or if you have a PDF document, you can upload it using the upload also. Here I am creating a new document. I am creating a new document. Using ChatGPT, I have drafted a content. So that thing I am pasting here. See, a simple sentence. Artificial intelligence help people to do work fast. It also improve decision making in many areas like education and healthcare. As an English professor, you all know that there is some error is here. As a other faculty, we may be not knowing what is a thing, what is a problem here. So here I have pasted here. Another chat window is here. Am I right? As a another chat window is here. I hope that you are able to see that also. Chat window is there. In the chat window, I am giving the command. Identify grammar and punctuation errors. Identify grammar and punctuation error, and I am submitting. So see, it is given a new window is open. A new window is open, and it is giving the suggestion. See, instead of help, you have to write helps. Instead of the to do, no need of to do. Then instead of fast, it is better if you use the word quickly. Then it also improve. It is deleting decision making in many areas like instead of that decision, because it was instead of that it is giving the suggestion like that. Now you can accept that. It is rectified. So for the free version, this much it is supporting. Suppose it is a paid version, you can go for some more comments like that. See, improve clarity and the sentence structure. We can improve the clarity and sentence structure. Here, what is the problem is for the free version. Yeah, here now it is supporting. Sometime it may not be supporting. They are asking it as go for plus. That is a Google plus. That is a premium. That is Grammarly premium. For that, normally I think $30 per month. See, suppose I am giving some more comments. Adjust the tone. You can adjust the tone. Yeah, see, after the 2 requests, now it is stopping because I have the free version. Suppose it is a plus version, that is a paid version, then you can go for many things. So instead of using this Grammarly, for my other explanation, I am planning to go for ChatGPT, because there around 100 queries per day is permitted. Then, so we may be going for again the ChatGPT. Paraphrasing and summarizing. Content generate பண்ணிட்டு வரோம் இல்லையா? எது? இதை எடுக்கட்டேன். என்ன காப்பி பண்ணிருக்கேன்? See, now I want to paraphrase. I have an idea. I have created few points with that idea, and I want to paraphrase it. For that, I am going. See, I am giving the command. Paraphrase the following. Enter. So it is asking what it want to paraphrase. I am giving a 3 points. It's already in the demo. I have shown this. See, it paraphrased. Artificial intelligence mimics human intelligence. Artificial intelligence simulate human cognitive ability. Paraphrased. Now, I want to summarize it. So all the 3 points are summarized. Now, what we can do? From this you can develop to anything by giving reviewing comments. By you can give more queries, you will get more answer. Like that, you can move and move like that. So most probably we are using ChatGPT nowadays because it is free. Suppose if you want to you want to do lot of activities, then you can go for the paid version. It costs around 2,000 rupees per month. 2,000 rupees per month. Some more demos we have. Yeah. Then one more thing. Only for the academic activity I have given. Am I right? I have given this much of explanation. Suppose if you want to generate a research paper. In a particular area. For example, I am giving a command. See, generate a structured outline for a research paper on the use of artificial intelligence in higher education assistance. For higher education, it is closely related to this FDP. Am I right? So, generate a paper. Title: Artificial Intelligence and Higher Education Assessment, Opportunities, Changes, and Future Direction. Abstract: Introduction, Literature Review, AI technology is used in assessment. Then benefits of AI in higher education assessment, challenges in ethical consideration, methodology, result and discussion, recommendation, future research direction, conclusion, and references. See how wonderfully it is created. Now, if you want to make it as a paper format, you can do that. Where academic introduction or now for this research proposal or research writing, I want to create an abstract. So I am giving the prompt: create abstract. Here I am fine tuning my prompt with 150 words. This is called prompting. See, simply I can give create abstract. So it will create an abstract. Now I am adding a prompting with 150 words. So it is creating an abstract with 150 words. So it creates an abstract. So abstract is created. Now, for any paper writing, we need some literature survey. Am I right? So find 20 papers for literature survey. See, it is finding various journals for the literature survey. So here I can add more. Year of publications. After, see here lot of papers are there. So after 2023 we can give 2023. So the journal papers published after 2023 will be displayed here. Only it will be displayed here. Now, finally, if we are after doing the literature survey, we need a comparative study. We will be tabulating it in the table. Am I right? So, prepare. For the table, we can prepare. Comparative table. See, here I am doing a spelling mistake. If I am doing the spelling mistake also, it will give the answer. See. But it is struggling a lot, but it identified. See, here is the comparative table. I made a spelling mistake, but it took some time to take that, and it has given the comparative statement in table format. And the final closing. Then 2 more example I will show. After that we can wind up. See, now an academic introduction. Suppose if you want to do some introduction, write a 200-word academic introduction on the role of AI tools in improving faculty writing productivity. So whatever you ask, according to it, it will give the response. Then you can fine tune your response also. So it is given. See, paraphrase the following content academically. Paraphrase. I am copying the content and pasting it for paraphrasing. It is paraphrased. Again, if you are giving the same comment, paraphrase, then another version you will get. Then suppose if you want to prepare a formal email letter, see, I am giving a command. Draft a formal email to faculty members regarding a one-day FDP on AI tools for writing skills. See. Subject, dear faculty members, greetings. See, since I am, it is in my login, I didn't give my name, but it has taken that. They see warm regards, Dr. R.P. Anto Kumar, Department of CS. See, because the ChatGPT remember me, because I only using it for a long period of time. So it understood that I am going to prepare the letter. Then another question, review the Suppose the students are submitting a assignment. I want to review it. For that, so maybe this is the content. Assume this is the content. I am pasting. See, it is highlighting. What is a clear strength? Area for improvement. Reduce slight redundancy, because know that it is copied from Google, am I right? So the redundant plagiarism will be there. Tighten, strengthen structure. So revised version also given. So this is possible. So we witness the performance of ChatGPT and Grammarly. Now, then, so also I can, if you go back, you can see all the chats. You can see all the chats. By clicking the left tab, you can see the previous questions also. Like that, you can see everything will be stored here. You can use it in later phase also. Now, I told you there are some alternatives for ChatGPT is available. So I am going for both the thing we can show. Yeah. See, another AI tool is DeepSeek. Search it in the Google. You can open that. Yeah. So it is showing this window. Sometimes if you are going for the first time, it may be asking your age to identify your date of birth, like that. Here I am giving the start. See, here phone number, password, like that you can create. Otherwise, you can go with the Google login. So I am going with Google. Which account? I am going for my official account. I am continuing. Now DeepSeek. All the questions we asked in the ChatGPT, that can be asked here also. Draft a formal email. Suppose last thing we asked. Draft a formal email.
So we cannot see the screen.
Are you able to see now? No. Okay. I will share that. Wait, madam. It went for the new window. Are you able to see now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here, see that in the DeepSeek, I am here. I have given the command: draft a formal email to faculty members regarding one-day FDP on AI tools for writing skills. Am I right? So it is giving the answer. See, something different. Am I right? From the ChatGPT was giving one format. Here it is giving one format. So we, the faculty members, need to decide which format I can use. You can fine tune it. You can copy this, fine tune it, and according to your usage, you can use that. So whatever, yeah. Then, see, one more thing. You can create images also. But sharing our images, we must be cautious, because that may be used for the learning purpose. Suppose if you are sharing your personal images, that is also used for the learning purpose. That may be used. So it may be made public. So personal information, please don't share your personal information. Be cautious in that. So with that, again, I am going back. 1 minute. Final. So this thing, what is prompt, everything. These are the various examples. I have shown you few examples. Finally, so what are the applications is for the search paper writing, proposal, teaching, learning, material creation, official email, presentation and documentation, everything we can use. But please remember that always this AI is an assistant, not an author. See, author only will create the content. Here, this AI assistant will fetch the information from the internet and fine tune it, and it will be give it to you. So here the plagiarism will be there. So you cannot simply copy and paste it for our academic purpose because plagiarism is there. Then, so we can use this AI support. We can use this AI support, but you have to consider your institutional and academic policy for that. Then, limitations and cautions are the content may be inaccurate. In some time, the content may be inaccurate. So you have to check whether it is accurate or not. Then, if it is not accurate, then you can give another question and find out. The prompt can be used. Then context searching, then for grammarly suggestion. Then one more thing, if you are overly depending on this AI, what will happen means our writing skill will get down. Am I right? Our growth will get down. So be cautious in that. Then human judgment is essential. We all are humans. So the output you have to check. So what is the best practice I am suggesting is you use ChatGPT for drafting and idea generation. Then use Grammarly for language refinement. Always review. You can revise and validate the content and combine AI support with subject expertise because you are the subject expert. So the ChatGPT, so this is combining ChatGPT. That is a key takeaways are ChatGPT and Grammarly are effective writing workflow. You can use the prompts and reviews, and you must be ethical and responsible use is very important. AI support, but not replaces the faculty expertise. That is the thing. Then these are the demos we have already shown to you. So thank you very much for attending this thing. And if you have any queries, you can now raise your queries in the chat window, or you can ask your queries by unmuting your audio. That I can clarify that. Thank you very much for listening.
Sir.
Yeah, yes, madam.
Good morning, sir. Sir, my name is Divya, and I'm a research scholar in Mahatma Gandhi University, Kerala.
Yes.
Sir, let me tell you one thing, sir. This was a very insightful session. Actually, I've been using ChatGPT.
Thank you so much, dear Andrew, sir. So now the session is open. Participants, if you have any queries, you can ask here.
Yeah, madam, continue, madam.
Sorry about that, sir. Sir, I have been using ChatGPT for quite some time, and I just wanted to know an alternative. Since you have, told that it can be used for, literature review also. Like a lot of articles, it gives when you give the correct prompt.
Yeah.
And it gives a comparison also. So, is there any other AI apart from ChatGPT that gives this sort of a comparison? A lot of articles can be uploaded, and then it gives you a feedback or the comparison between all those articles what you have uploaded.
Yes, madam. You can simply use DeepSeek.
Yes, sir, that is one. Any other apart from that, sir, which you have
Gemini,
used? Gemini. And sir, if I want to use AI like Grammarly for my research purposes to refine my language.
Yes.
So definitely, if I develop an article and I put it into, upload it into Grammarly, so how safe is my article, sir? Because you said it is, it uses this context aware text generation, ChatGPT. So how safe would be my article, sir? If I used a paid version, will it be more safe rather than using a free version?
Madam, normally Grammarly will not take the content for learning because it will find out it will do the English correction. So
Okay.
don't worry about the Grammarly. But
Okay.
if you are using ChatGPT for that corrections, paraphrasing or English correction,
Okay.
then it will be you are in danger.
Oh, okay, sir.
That content may be used for learning purpose.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
because
sir.
suppose you have your own writing flow. Am I right?
Right,
Suppose
sir.
5 documents are given to ChatGPT and you are paraphrasing that. In future, what will happen means if you are asking for content generation, automatically it will generate the content in your flow because already it learned your flow.
Right, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes.
be cautious in the chat GPT by sending the information. Grammarly will do only the corrections.
Corrections.
Yeah. So you
Okay.
can do that. But everywhere, since it is an internet, cracking is possible. Server is not with us. So there is some possibility of getting your data by some other person, taking the data by some other person.
Okay, so
Possibility.
then, so you have, mentioned Gemini. How safe is Gemini, sir? So if I use
Madam, all the tools, because
all the,
all are working in the internet. So we don't know where the server is, what is the encryption technology they are using. Nothing we know. So some
one,
confidential information, don't go for that. Otherwise, you can copy a part of that. If you found
correct.
that a part is, you may be struggling with a part of that, then
Huh.
you can. Then you can.
So if I go for paid version, even then, is it look not safe?
Online it is not safe. Am I right? Otherwise, see, some desktop applications are also there, but again, what will happen means it is in your device is in the internet.
Correct, sir.
Yeah, so the danger is there, madam.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. It was really a wonderful session.
Yeah, thank you very much, madam. I have to thank my companion, Anthony Jones Kumar, because he only given the list of demos and what are the questions we can present it like that.
Sir, we really needed something like this, like hands-on.
Yeah,
Thank you,
sure.
sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Any other questions?
If any questions in the chat box, thank you so much for the demonstration. Very informative. Thank you very much.
Any other questions you can put in the chat box also.
Dr. Revati from Hyderabad, from Malaradi University, madam. Sir, I just wanted to know if DeepSeek is a paid version or a free version like the ChatGPT.
See, madam, all are having free is there. Suppose if you are going want to use more, suppose in the chat GPT, around 100 queries are free per day. No issue. Like that in the DeepSeek also free is there. Suppose if you want to get more features. Suppose many papers PDF were given and we want to analyze, we want to get the summary. In such cases, we have to go for paid version. Our simple, our academic activity, we need only free version. For example, I am using free version, but my son is using paid version. But he is doing some research in some area. So he may be giving lot of queries. He may be using the chat GPT for more number of times per day. So he need paid version. That's so according to your usage, you can fix. Now many software companies, they are subscribing chat GPT for them because now coding is moved to low code or less code like concept. They already use codes where they are using, and that ChatGPT version is fine tuned for the particular industry. Their code, from their code, it will fetch and give to the people. So they may be using some other subscription. So institutional level subscriptions are there. So according to your requirement, you can plan that.
Right, sir. Right, sir. Thank you very much, sir. It was quite insightful, sir. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Sir, there is a question in the chat box. Have you looked at it?
I have seen all
by Samita, ma'am.
Hallucinate and they give biased report. Pilots are also shown us. Yeah, it's true. Sumida Shankar madam, madam, it's true. Yeah, that is a question is, I have seen all AI tools happen to hallucinate and they give biased report. Pilots are always shown as males. Yeah, it's true. Sorry, any suggestion apart from human direction? Madam, normally this is thing, these response are from the learning. See, you are showing that pilots are always shown as the males. Suppose many female pilots photos were uploaded and analyzed in GPT. In future, the pilot's image shown will be a female also, because it is a learning model. According to the given input, it is learning and giving the response. Are you clear, madam?
Another question is there,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Thank you so much, sir, for giving me this answer. But apart from human revision, can we modify our prompts in such a way that the hallucination can be reduced at the initial stages, sir?
Yeah, you can try, madam. Yeah. And this prompt engineering
you,
also now a growing field. So, madam, it is developing.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Any other questions? W? YouTube.
Madam, no other questions?
Any other questions? Okay.
Madam, the feedback link we need to share.
Yeah, I'll be sharing, sir. Okay, no more questions, I think so, Ando sir.
Yeah.
Okay, Ando sir. So thank you so much for accepting our invitation, dear Ando sir. And thank you for your wonderful session. Really, it was very useful for us. And also, I'd like to extend my thanks to our Anthony sir for preparing all these things and all. So thank you so much. And also, big thanks to all the participants here out. And I have uploaded the feedback link in the chat box. Kindly fill out the feedback link for the 4th day FDP. So once again, I take this opportunity to thank everyone who joined here, especially the resource persons of the day. Thank you so much. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
I go right line, yeah.